Alright, I was looking to do a memory upgrade to my Dell Vostro 3555, and about the cheapest that I saw that looked somewhat reputable was KomputerBay, and 32 bucks or something. So we'll take a look. So it's got 4 gigs, and these are two 4 gig DIMMs for a total of 8. So basically doubling RAM from 4 to 8. So anyways, remove battery. There's 3 screws, which I already took out. And just take this bottom cover off. And then memory is right here. It's got the little clips. And we'll put in the new ones. And we'll hope that it boots and works good. So put all that back together and we'll boot up and see what happens. Alright, and the computer booted just fine. You can see 8 gigs, that's great. And a lot of memory now there too. So we'll see how it runs, but so far seems like KomputerBay, fairly good deal for RAM.